All right, about to open up a set of United Pacific front park lights, or signal lights, I guess. 73 to 80 Chev and GMC trucks. Sean got these for his SquareBody. They are LED, so your park light and signal. Let's open these bad boys up, check them out. Really nice finish, nice stainless bezel. Looks like it's really beautiful quality. Nice sealed up circuit board in the back. Easy plug in with the 2-pin 1157 style socket. So that should just go in and then attach to your factory bucket just like stock. Let's see how they look. Okay, so it just plugs in just like the 1157 does. There's one pin that's low, one pin that's high. Figure out which way it goes, push it in, slight rotation. I don't have all the screws to install it properly. We can stuff it in here and hook up our powers so we can see how they light.